Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to compress PDF file size without losing quality in mobile. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, search for pdfcompressor.com and you will be redirected to this interface. Here, tap on this button and upload the target PDF file. Once the PDF is uploaded completely, the website will start compressing the PDF file. After that, click on Download and your file will start downloading. Now, open your file manager again and go to the Download section. Here, look for that PDF file whose size you just reduced. After that, open it up and you can see that there is no compromise in the quality of this file. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.